Okay, so y'all see, this is what I was sent. This is their 20-inch human hair wig, but this is how the bang is looking, and you already know, like, I'm not rocking with it because this looked like 2010 Nikki. No, it doesn't have any lace, it's just the bang, so there's no plucking or anything required.
Choose your fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight 30 hertz.
Gonna be real with y'all, I did not like how that wig was looking. I should have showed y'all how that blonde looked on me, but I had to go dye it because I didn't like it. What, can you see my brush? That's my brush. But I didn't like it. So I had some leftover red dye from dyeing my mom's hair. So I did the hot water coloring method, and then I just dyed it. I dyed it red. Blonde, like, I'm not saying blonde don't look good on me because I've worn blonde before. Also, but I've cut my own bangs. You know, I'll insert a picture right here with, you know, my blonde and my bangs. You know, it was cute. Baby, no, like, I will not be wearing that. So we're finna do it. They way too long, and they're like over my eyes, and I can barely. You know what I'm saying? Like, stop playing. It actually came out good, y'all. Oh my God. Like, I was so scared. I was like, I was like, no, I'm not wearing that. Like, you know, I like this little part right here. This is like giving me life, and coloring it, like, y'all, I actually really do love this unit. And it's so easy to just put on, take off, put on, take off. Like, you ain't got to worry about gluing it down. You don't got to worry about putting no got to be glued on there spray, no adhesive spray, no plucking, no nothing. You just got to fix the bang how you want, color it if you want to. You can use the water dye method, and honey, throw some curls in that thing and you are good. You're good. You know my thing, you know what I'm saying. Stop playing with me. I'll have the link for this unit down in the description box, as always, if you would like to purchase this unit, and also the company name in the description box as well. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post. Stop playing. We're not playing over here. But I love you guys so much. Bye.